Hi, I'm Robert Velez. I'm the sales director with Easescreen. And what I'm going to show you today is how you can use our widgets to be able to publish all different types of content using our website. And what I'm going to show you today is something that people really don't think about, and that is that everybody always thinks about just adding advertisement or just pictures, but people get tired of just looking at advertisements and regular pictures. They want to see things that really interest them. It could be something as simple as the time or even the weather. So you can add weather to a screen, either to a template or to one of the screens, again, simply by dragging and dropping. And what we do here is we can take, for example, this weather widget here, we drag it over to our playlist and just hit publish. In this case, I'll just preview it for you so you can see it here. And it will go and it will pull up the latest weather and publish it straight to your screen. And you're able to modify this so that it comes out in Fahrenheit and Celsius for whatever cities you particularly want to publish. And all of this is available in our suite of widgets, and it's already included. So you don't have to pay extra for it. You can see this on our website at www.easescreen.com.